Hello guys, today we're going to test this dual USB charger for my car. I just purchased one of those which can measure load down the USB, and we can measure it with this. So and I also have one from before in my car, but that has a blue LED display. This one has a red one. So the blue one is very hard to see in the car, so hopefully the red one will be better to see. So let's do a test. Okay, here we go. It has 1 amp and a 2.1 amp output, both 5 volt of course. So let's just see what is plus and what is minus, and here we have the minus, and then the plus should go here. Yeah, 13.8 volt, and the supply also says 13.8 volts, so that is good so far. Then let's test it by putting, if you could remove this one a little, like this. Here we can see, hopefully, almost 5 volts. This was also included in the purchase. And let's put on this one. And here we can see 1 amp. And we can increase it. Let's see, what port was it? This was the 1 amp output. Let's see how much it can be loaded. .4, still okay. 4.88 volt, that should be okay to still charge something. And there the fan kicked in, so now this is very hot. Yes, it is. Almost 3 amps, I think we will say that is okay. And let's turn it back down. Okay, 1 amp again, approximately. Then we do the 2.1, and then we have to turn it around like this. And the voltmeter is still, yeah, I don't know if you can see that, 13.8. The fan is blowing, and this is, yes, hot to touch. And let's load that one down as well. I don't have 2 of those, so we cannot load both at the same time, which also should be interesting to see, but this also, no problem. 2.3 amps and still 4.9 volts. Fantastic. Let's see the other one. If we do a quick switch over. Yeah, voltage a little down on this one. 3 amps. No, it's the same. 4.9. So, yes. This one definitely works. It's from Amazon or eBay, or yeah, it's the same product usually. So I'm happy with that one. So this is how it came. It came in a plastic bag with those 2 inserted like this, and yeah, not so much to tell really. But all in all, seems to be a good product. I will install this in my car as well, so I can compare it with the blue display compared to the red one. I hope the red one is more readable. That's all for this test. See you later, guys.